everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box, the Fall Mystery Bundle. I believe this bundle was about $35. Let's get into it. The first thing I see is the FAB Purifying Mud Mask, Time to Clear. Now, I did receive this in the Summer Mystery Bundle, so I'm wondering if all the products are the same. I hope not, but let's keep going and we shall see. The next thing is, the Skin Inc. Pure Deep Sea Hydrating Mask. This was also in the Summer Mystery Bundle, so far, not so great. Next, the Sicilian Light Plump and Illuminate Serum. This also was in the Summer Mystery Bundle. Okay. Then the Belief Niacinamide Golden Drops. Again, this was also in the Summer Bundle. Then the 3 Ships Dewdrops. This is a hyaluronic serum. This was also in the Summer Bundle. Allure, what's going on here? This is a little odd. Then the Aceology Passion Fruit Lip Scrub. Again, this was also in the Summer Bundle. And then lastly is the Dew of the Gods Lip Butter in Cloud Coconut. Now this is the only item that was not in the Summer Bundle, and the Summer Bundle was the same price and had significantly more products, including everything you just saw. I'm not sure if this was a mistake on Allure's part. Maybe they sent the same box twice, but between the fall and the summer box, order the summer. It's a better deal. This is a little odd that they would put the exact same products in a different mystery bundle. Seems kind of wasteful, especially for someone like me who does order the mystery bundles. I feel like that was a mistake on Allure's part. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean the world to me to hear from you guys, and thank you so much for watching.